Hi guys, my name is Erica Franco. I've been doing makeup for like a few years now. This is gonna be my first makeup tutorial I'll be doing. It's my sister Roxana. She is 15 years old and I've already waxed her brows and I'm gonna start priming her skin. This is her before. So I start off by using the Age Minimized 3D cleanser from Mary Kay and mixing it in with the Mario Badescu spray. Then I take off the cleanser with a warm towel. Then I use the Triple Action Toner from Neutrogena. To really hydrate the skin, I'll be using the Hydro Boost Water Gel from Neutrogena. Then I add the Anastasia Hydrating Oil. You can use this with or without makeup if you just want to get a nice glow. To seal in the moisture, I'll be using Age Minimized 3D from Mary Kay. I'll be using the Photo Finish Primer from Smashbox. For the brows, I'll be using the Anastasia Dip Brow in Dark Brown. First I do the tail of the brow. When I get to this part, just do upward strokes. To clean up the brows, I'll be using Beige 8 in Luminous and Bronze 1 in Matte from Mary Kay. Spray my sponge with the Mario Badescu spray and start to blend. I'll be using the P. Louise base. I'll be using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brushes. This is the 35B palette from Morphe and I'll be taking the shade Scandal. To start adding warmth, I'll be using the shade Turned On. Next shade is called Heat. Then I use the shade called Wild Thing. And finally, Bad Boy. Then I cut the crease. Then I add First Date and the shade Heartbreaker. Then I add the same warm shades on the bottom lash line. Then I add a white liner from Suva Beauty in the shade Space Panda. And of course the NYX matte liner. I'll be using the same foundations I used to carve the brows. To get the liner really sharp, I'll go under the liner and clean up. using the Anastasia Contour Cream Kit. And damping the sponge as usual. The Tarte Creaseless Concealer in Tan Deep Sand. And setting it with RCMA No Color Powder. And very lightly setting it. And adding the Anastasia bronzer in Saddle, and the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter, and the Milani highly rated mascara. This is called Everything Nice from Garage Cosmetics and Beach Babe from the Lash. These are the lashes that I'll be using. And this is the final look. Please like and subscribe, comment what you want to see next. Stay tuned for more.